Dumelang Dintang. It's me, your girl, period. Guys, welcome to a new vlog. This might be the last vlog for 2023, but it's been amazing, yeah, for YouTube and like the channel and growing and the Fintalicious family. Like, okay, we need a new name for you guys. If you guys want me to call you guys something different, comment down in the comment section and give me suggestions or hit me up on Instagram, as you know my Instagram. Like, so just like English bundles are depleted, just so that I can have something to call you guys that's unique and you guys also like. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're on the road to 500 subscribers. I can't believe it, but we're on it and we're almost there. And I believe in the Fintalicious family that we're gonna go there and we're gonna break it and we're gonna go higher and higher and higher. Because on what? On period.
Guys, Abazali have accepted that we drink.
Have they really? Have they really? Guys, my hair's wet.
Not really. Mana sticks in the junior. Guys. Jala sticks. Jala sticks.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Hi guys. So basically we are at the place where my mom's getting her fat freeze thing. I don't know what to call it, surgery. It's not a surgery, but like it's an appointment. So we're there and like I'm outside just waiting for it to finish because I think it's gonna take some time. So I'm just like, why not sit outside and watch some YouTube and like enjoy the atmosphere and sit in the sun and bathe in the sun, because why not? Why the frick not? So yeah, hope you guys enjoying the video. My hair looks crazy. I don't know what to do with it. I need to get it straightened and conditioned because it hasn't been done since, if you know when last I had this hair, you know. So I have to maintain it and just get products to keep it good and everything. But yeah, that's just a mini update. Yeah, see you guys in the next clip.
So guys, basically here we got samosas from Southgate. Like, I love this place, has nice samosas, but the ones we bought, I don't know, maybe the flavors were just not right on this day, but they weren't hitting the spot they were supposed to hit. Then here I was going shopping for a dress for the funeral we're going to with my mom on my father's side of the family. So this is a dress. I kind of liked it, but I didn't end up wearing it because of just didn't end up wearing it, but it's a nice dress.
It's a few hours later because I took a nap when we got home because it's hot. There's nothing I can do. It's hot. I don't like feeling like I'm a potato in a frying pan. I really don't like it. It's really not nice. It's not cute. So we're unboxing my mini fan that my mom got me. She got it at Panda. I don't know where that store is. I think it's in Krista, if I remember. That's what she said. But yeah, this mini fan, because all the girlies have this and it's hot, guys. I can't be doing this. I can't be doing this. No, it must be a lady with class, lady with standards. So this is like how it looks. This is the first stage. The second one. Yeah. First, second, third.
Oh my god, what is that?
I keep putting it too close to my face, so sometimes it just acts up. But yeah, That's what I want to show you guys, my mini fan.
Feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Hi guys, so I'm I'm looking like a Makoti. God, I'm somebody's wife.
It's just the jokes. Hey.
You guys, like, okay, the food we got, like, if you knew me, I finished this in a day. Every single day when I went to school, guys, I had one of these. My friends know, the OGs know, my friends know. Lunch, it was me and this. Because this thing slaps. After cold drink, gone. Then obviously you can see my slushy there. I'm not gonna introduce it. Then we got Petro's yeah, not sponsored, but I get my coins. But yeah, so I'm gonna be eating, then I'm gonna install my hair later tonight, because if you guys were to see the maza under this duke, you'd be shocked, because it's not cute. So I'm gonna install my hair so that tomorrow morning I don't have to install it. So once we vie, I just have my it just to do, then then we're on the road. So basically that's the update that I wanted to give you guys. Yeah, there's really nothing much else I could tell you guys, because we were shopping and you saw I'm not really as confident yet to vlog in public like that, like with my phone, like yeah, sometimes I'm shy, even though Papa, I have my moments. So yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys, I was gonna say later, I'll see you guys later in the club when I install my hair at night.
Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris, sailing overseas, and just break me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had to let you go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing.
still I can't let go. It's unnatural. You belong to me. I belong